Welcome to Computer Code channel. In this video, we are going to cover MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Access, important multiple choice questions, answers with explanation. Which one of these is a valid font style? The options are A. Engrave, B. Straight through, C. Outline, D. Regular. Engrave, straight through and outline are font effects. Regular, italic, bold, bold italic are font styles. The correct answer is answer D. Regular. Which of the following is not a part of spreadsheet? The options are A. Cell address, B. Column letter, C. Column number, D. Row number. Let's see the options in detail. Cell address. Cell address is a combination of a column letter and a row number that identifies a cell on a worksheet. Examples. B2 refers to the second cell in column B. In Excel, rows are referred by numbers and columns by letters. Example. Column A, column C, column D. First row, 10th row, 20th row. The correct answer is answer C, column number. Which is not the valid edition of PowerPoint? The options are A. 2010, B. 2007, C. 2003, D. 1920. The correct answer is answer D. 1920. Which PowerPoint view works best for adding slide transitions? The options are A. Slide sorter view, B. Normal view, C. Slideshow view, D. Slide view. The correct answer is answer A. Slide sorter view. Which feature is used to make selected sentence to all capitals or all small letters? The options are A. Change sentence, B. Change word, C. Font style, D. Change case. Font style. There are variations of a font that indicate different ways that a font can appear. The most common font styles are regular, italic, bold, bold italic. Change case. It makes changes to the case of text in block selections. Uppercase, lowercase, first letter capital, invert, sentence and title case. Correct answer is answer D. Change case. What is the extension type of the Excel 2007 files? A. .xls, B. .xlsx, C. .xsl, D. .xslx. The correct answer is answer B. .xlsx. Which of the following is not valid version of MS Office? The options are A. Office Vista, B. Office 97-2003, C. Office 2007, D. Office 2016. Versions of MS Office are Office 2019, 2016, 2013, 365, 2010, 2007, 2003, XP, 2000. Earlier versions Office 97, 95. Office Vista is not a MS Office version. The word Vista relates to operating system. The correct answer is answer A, Office Vista. How can you make the selected character superscripted? A. Control Shift equal. B. Control equal. C. Alt equal. D. Shift equal. The shortcut key for subscript is Control equal. The shortcut key for superscript is Control Shift equal. The correct answer is answer A, Control Shift equal. The blank area near the edges of every page in a Word document is known as A. Indent, B. Gutter, C. Margin, D. Grid line. Let's see the options in detail. Indent. This formatting technique provides readers with a sense of continuity. They help to present the content in a logical way. Types of indent: normal indent, first line indent, and hanging indent. Gutter. A gutter margin adds extra space to the side margins, top margin, or inside margins of a document that you plan to bind. Margin. Margins are the blank spaces that lines the top, bottom, left, and right sides of a document. Grid line. Grid lines are the faint lines that appear between cells on a worksheet. The correct answer is answer C, margin. What function displays row data in a column or column data in a row? A. Transpose, B. Count, C. Len, D. Trim. Transpose. It flips the vertical range to a horizontal range and flips horizontal range to a vertical range. Count. The count function counts the number of cells that contain numbers and counts numbers within the list of arguments. Len. Len function is a test function in Excel and can be used to count the numbers of characters in a text. The function is used to count letters, numbers, special characters, and all spaces from an Excel cell. Trim. The trim function is categorized under Excel test functions. Trim helps to remove the extra spaces in data and thus clean up the cells in the worksheet. The correct answer is answer A, transpose. Which item appears dimly behind the main body text? The options are A. Background, B. Watermark, C. Back color, D. None of the above. The correct answer is answer B. Watermark. A watermark is an image or text that appears behind the main body text of the document. It is usually a lighter shade than the text, so you can read the document easily. When a hyperlink is created, Word formats the web address as. The options are A. Underline color red, B. Underline color blue, C. Underline color pink, D. Underline color white. The correct answer, underline color blue, answer B. How can we stop a slideshow in PowerPoint? The options are press Ctrl S, B. Press Ctrl A. C. Press escape button. D. Press the right arrow. The correct answer is answer C. Press escape button. What is the default font used in MS Word 2007 document? The options are A. Arial rounded empty bold. B. Calibri. C. Arial. D. Arial black. The correct answer is answer B. Calibri. What is the shortcut key to open Find Box? The options are A. Ctrl U. B. Ctrl B. C. Ctrl A. D. Ctrl F. Ctrl U is most often used to underline the text. Ctrl B is used to toggle bold text on and off. Ctrl A is used to select all document content. Ctrl F is the keyboard shortcut key for the find command. Like, share, subscribe Computer Code Word channel. Click the bell icon. Thank you.